Welcome to the BSE in the Bellaterra campus. This will be a very special year. Some of your classmates will become your friends, and all of them will be part of your network for the rest of your life. Today, we are gathered to officially open the 2024-2025 academic year with the inaugural lecture given by Professor Jaume Ventura.
Let me take this opportunity to talk a little bit about why we do some of the research we do and the topics or the questions that interest us. That's a paper that we wrote about 10 years ago, the first draft, but it was published just last year. We observed that borders decrease by 30% the disagreement in values. It makes us to agree on values much more than we are in different places. We do a lot of work on how globalization affects countries and the welfare of people through markets. But sometimes we do very little about how it affects it through the changes in governments. But the makeup of governments, in this particular case, the geographical makeup of governments, is affected by globalization.
When it comes to the Brexit in 2016, what was, in terms of your theory, the main objective on the UK?
What has made British more uncomfortable, for the right or the wrong reasons, but as empirical statement, was the accession the countries came into the Union. But this is a theory about main trends.
You will have the opportunity to watch something remarkable, Els Castells, human towers. This is a Catalan tradition, quite spectacular, and I'm sure you will enjoy it very much. The Castellers work as a team to achieve amazing results, in the same way that you will work together during the master to learn and to take the maximum out of this year.